A strong supporting sentence gives a paragraph shape, clarity, and credibility. It should connect directly to the topic sentence and help the reader understand the main point without drifting away from it. For adult English learners, the goal is not to write more words, but to write useful ones. Begin by asking what the paragraph is really about. If the topic sentence says that learning English helps people at work, each supporting sentence should explain, prove, or expand that idea. A weak sentence adds a related thought, but a strong one adds a specific reason, example, fact, or explanation. One useful method is to use the peel pattern, point, evidence, explanation link. First, make one clear point. Then give evidence such as an example, statistic, or personal experience. Next, explain how the evidence supports the main idea. Finally, link it back to the topic sentence. This structure keeps the paragraph focused and easy to follow. Strong supporting sentences are also specific. Instead of saying, "English is important," say, "English is important because it allows workers to understand safety instructions, communicate with supervisors, and solve problems quickly." Specific language is more convincing and more informative. Variety matters too. A paragraph can include a reason, an example, and a short explanation. For instance, online classes can be flexible for adults because they fit busy schedules. A parent working full-time can study after dinner, which makes learning more realistic. This example shows the benefit in action. Another important skill is choosing the right detail. Not every fact belongs in the paragraph. Ask whether the sentence supports the main idea and whether it helps the reader understand it better. If the answer is no, leave it out. Adult learners often write too many general sentences or repeat the same idea in different words. To avoid this, outline the paragraph before writing. Write the topic sentence first, then list 2 or 3 supporting ideas, and finally add examples or explanations for each one. Strong supporting sentences do not need difficult vocabulary. They need clear purpose, clear connection, and enough detail to make the meaning stronger. When adult English learners practice this method, their paragraphs become more organized, more persuasive, and easier to read.